Hi everyone, it's Steve here again from Imperial Light and Magic, and tonight is another demo of one of my hand button push systems. This one is configured as an Iron Man system. I've got several people very interested in this. So this is just to give you a demonstration of how it works. The electronics are tucked in my pocket. I've got the camera on the tripod today because I need to use both hands. Pretty simple. These leads are very long, and they are on the end of a USB plug, standard USB plug. So what that means is you'll be able to thread this wire down inside your costume from the glove direction up and then across and then down to presumably your chest or wherever you're going to store the rest of the electronics, which are actually very small. This particular system for this particular client is configured to run off a USB power bank. So if you've got a USB power bank type supply of whatever size, this should work absolutely fine. It's a very simple way of doing it. You literally just plug the USB into your USB power bank. Anyway, let's give you some demonstrations of how this works. So I've got 4 buttons on each palm. As this one is configured, the first one is going to do Back in Black. Oops, sorry, wrong button. And on my little finger, I've got this configured as a stop button, so whatever else is going on, the little finger will stop it. So I can start and stop. Oops, sorry, wrong one. So as you could probably hear, that one there was going to play Time of My Life from Dirty Dancing, which was requested by one client. So, you know, if you get someone who sort of puts their arm around you or whatever else, you can suddenly burst into a dance if you wish with them. What else have we got on here? So we've got the full Jarvis startup sound, which is pretty cool.
Jarvis, you there? At your service, sir. Gauge heads up display.
Now, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but it is the full Jarvis startup routine, but then it also segues into Back in Black by AC/DC. So that runs for several minutes, so if you want to show, but it is the full sound from all the startup stuff.
Been uploaded, sir.
Okay, so we've done that one, and let's move on to the other hand. So you've got a walk button, and it's a single walk sound. So I know it's not easy to walk around particularly quickly in Iron Man stuff, so you can literally go pace, and if you want you can go quicker than that. The system will cope, which I don't think you're ever going to be walking that quick, so it's capable of doing it. Otherwise just push and then it's silent. Okay, next button is Iron Man, of course. Couldn't have anything else other than that. I have chopped it around slightly just to shorten it. It loses all the drum beat stuff at the start, but it goes straight to Iron Man. And then finally you've got 2 repulsor blast sounds, which as you can hear are slightly different. So you've got 2, you can do like a single one like that, or one like that. So those happen to be on these last 2 buttons here, the way this one's configured at the moment. That's about it. Thanks very much for watching. This particular system is already booked out, but I can start building these now because I am starting to get some supplies through. Please do get in touch if that's something of interest to you. Also bear in mind that this sound system is flexible enough to deal with basically any kind of character where you have preset phrases or sounds or music events or whatever else associated with that character. So say for example Kylo Ren would be a great example, or you know anything else really where they have some sort of preset phrases. Darth Vader would be absolutely superb for this particular sort of system. Iron Man as well. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Do get in touch with me through the Facebook page, which is Imperial Light and Magic, or you can reach me on email at boulders@gmail.com. Thanks again.